everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Selena and in today's video we are going to discuss some of the most important features and functions of Power BI that will help you perform the most in-detail data analysis for your next Power BI project. So let's jump right in. The first step when entering Power BI is loading and preparing your data. For this, the powerful Power Query Editor allows you to quickly and effectively load and transform your data for further processing and visualization. The editor offers multiple transformations such as removing duplicates, filtering rows, and splitting columns. Additionally, it includes features for combining data from different sources or tables. In Power BI, there are three key views. Report view, where you design reports and dashboards by adding and customizing visuals. Data view, which allows you to inspect and explore your raw data, create calculated columns, and understand your dataset's structure. And model view, where you manage relationships between tables, define hierarchies, and organize your data model for accurate analysis. These views work together to help you create and refine powerful data-driven insights. In Power BI, calculated columns are like new data fields you create in your table, using existing data to generate a value for each row. They are useful for adding extra details or labels to your data. Measures, on the other hand, are like instant math formulas that update automatically based on how you filter or how you interact with your report. They help you quickly see totals, averages, or other summaries of your data. Next, we come to DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions. That is a formula language used in Power BI, Excel, and other Microsoft tools to perform calculations and data analysis. It is similar to Excel formulas, but designed to work with relational data and complex aggregations. DAX allows you to create custom calculations such as sums, averages, and ratios. The Visualizations tab in Power BI is a powerful component for designing and customizing how your data is presented. The Visual Types section allows you to choose from a wide array of chart types and specialized visuals to represent your data effectively. These include bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and scatter plots, along with maps for geographic data visualization and cards for showing single value metrics. Formatting options give you control over the visual aesthetics of your charts and graphs, wherein you can choose from the different colors, fonts, and styles available. Interactive features enhance user engagement and data exploration within your reports. Add slicers to your reports to provide users with interactive filters. Slicers allow users to select specific values or ranges, dynamically updating the visuals based on their selections. You can also add cards to display key performance parameters or KPIs such as the total sales, etc. You can also add tooltips to provide additional information when users hover over a visual. Filters in Power BI allow you to control which data is displayed in your reports and visuals. They help refine data views by specifying criteria that data must meet to appear, making it easier to focus on relevant information and gain more meaningful insights. To wrap up, Power BI offers the most robust set of features for interactive visualizations and reports. And all that is left for you to do is make the most use of them and just get started. On that note, let's conclude. I hope you enjoyed this video and got to learn something new today. Do comment down below in the comment section what kind of videos you would like to watch later. I'll be back next week with another video. Till then, thank you for watching and keep learning.